Ui, ui, ui. Today we are going on a snow adventure, I hope. Okay, we will be driving in the deep snow because Lithuania hit snowstorm hard. So it should be a fun day, stay tuned. Today I'm not driving alone. Behind me there's Suzuki, fighting its way through the snowdrifts. It's here to help in case the rover gets stuck on its belly in the snow. Oh my starry nights. Minde, ištrauk mane! I wanted to try going slowly through the snow, but that didn't work. Not at all. The tires just dug holes in the snow and I ended up high-centered. So now we need a rescue. Jej, laisvė. Nu va kaip gerai. With some momentum I managed to go a bit further, but I still stopped. I should have driven in the ruts made by the farmer vehicles. Now we're digging the rover out and getting ready to use a winch. Nu viskas, laisvė. We send the drone up to scout the road we're going to try climbing to the top of a hill. It looks like there might be a bit less snow up there. Žiūrėjom. Tai ilgai taupiam, koks tapas skirtums jau. Traukia į prarają. O, čia geriau. Įsibėgėsim labiau. Oi, čia blogai bus. Ir iki drono nedavažiavom. Nieko gero. O dabar tai toks buvo nemalonus. Bet mes pabėgom, dabar svarbiausia išvairuoti. Ir blogiausia, kad netiesiai važiavom. Šūdas. Dar blogiau. Nuslydau iš šono ir viskas veltui. Made it to the top. Now it's Suzuki turn.
Va.
Jeigu gali nusileist žemyn, bandyk kartuoti. Parein Suzukis. Nice. Ir ne nice. No matter how much you try to steer it, the snowdrift just throws the Suzuki off the road. That's what happens when the off-roader is lightweight. Jezus Marija, kiek sniega. After a couple of hours, we probably managed to drive maybe 3 kilometers. Not much, not much. Tuoj pastumsiu. Vokai. Nieka neina. Iki pakasimo, ne? Bėgam, nepaleidžiam jo. Tai gal gervė? One last pull with a winch. It feels uncomfortable pushing the engine like that, bouncing off a rev limiter. Kol kas normaliai.
Jau lipt kast?
Jau. O, blemba. O čia jau nebe normaliai. O, baigėlė.
Все.
After getting stuck on a belly again in ridiculously deep snow, we decided to send the drone up to scout wherever it's even worth fighting the snow any further. From what we can see, the entire forest road ahead would require a winch because of the packed snow, and even after getting out of the forest we'd be greeted by even deeper snow. Maybe it would improve later, but we decided not to risk it. We'll try to turn around somehow while we're already stuck. It shouldn't be that hard. We're pulling the rover towards a tree, and then I'll try reversing as much as possible. And now we repeat the same thing, pull to the next tree, then try reversing again. Without a winch, we wouldn't be moving neither forward or backward here.
Dabar būt gerai prie tolimesnio medžio tada. Nors čia gal kampas geras. Kol kas.
Very gerai.
Tikrai?
Važiuoju. The rover's winch broke. It only spins one way now. It can unwind the cable, but we actually needed to pull back. So continue the rescue using the Suzuki's winch. Now we are digging out the Suzuki so it can turn around as well. Atgal. Ne atgal, pirmyn. Varyk! Jeigu mums taip nepavyks išvažiuoti, ragas. Tiredness is starting to show. I tried to drive around the Suzuki, but ended up sliding towards the ditch. Good thing we have backup to get out of the trouble. Irgi nenoriu prisiglūdyti, žinai. Važiuoti šiandien, kad čia nebus.
O reikia išvažiuoti. Čia jau traktoriaus vėžuose, nu.
Dabar reikia droną kažkur toli nuskraidinti, kad nebereiktų man apie jį galvoti. The Suzuki also got hung up on the edge of the road, but luckily it's a pocket size off-roader, so we can push it out by hand. Nusuk ratus!
Čia reikalų užsimesdė. Kakavo.
Okay. All day to travel 5 kilometers to one side and 5 kilometers back. But it was fun. It was fun. So basically I can't drive through the snow this deep at all. I probably should have lowered the tire pressure to around 0.2 bar, but my BMW rims aren't really suitable for pressures that low. Today I was driving with 0.9 bar, which is way too much for deep snow. Because of that, the rover just kept digging itself deeper and deeper. It was fun battling through the snowdrifts, but I was hoping to drive a bit further than just 10 kilometers of getting stuck and digging out of the ditches. Such a nice snow. Thank you for watching and goodbye.